Welcome back, riders. John here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the ride command system that you will typically find on your Slingshot or Indian motorcycle models. Whether you have the 4-inch display or the 6-inch display, as I'm going to be showing you today, the ride command is going to be the same. Indian did a great job when they released the ride command. First of all, they give you 1 year free subscription when you buy a new motorcycle. Second of all, you're able to plan rides, you're able to track your rides, you're able to share your rides, and then you're able to track your vehicle maintenance. So as you're gonna see on the video, the ride command is gonna be very easy to navigate and go from one screen to the other. If you guys enjoy this content, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video.
The Slingshot R, again, the top of the line Slingshot, is going to come with your typical Indian ride command. So you're going to be able to see here all the information. So you have your range, voltage, temperature, your mileage, and just like you would with your regular Indian ride command, you scroll to the side and you get additional information. So you get your current ride, how long have you gone, moving time, stop time, elevation. It also allows you the opportunity to clear and start a new ride. So what you do is you press here, and there we go. You hold it down and you go ahead and you're able to start a new ride. As you see, it's still giving you the range. It gives you the outside temperature, the time, and it gives you your compass. So you also have the ability to do the GPS just like you would with your Indian. You have the ability they come with a 1 year subscription, and it's basically all going to be integrated. One great feature about this system over here is that they now come standard with Apple Play. So all you got to do is just plug your phone and you're good to go. So here we are, we're back into the main screen. If we go into settings, just like you would with your Indian ride command, you have the ability to choose between Slingshot and comfort mode. Right now we're in Slingshot. You also have the ability to do auto for your brightness. So we go back to the main screen. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into our display here so we're able to see what we're doing. Let's go back. We'll put it on the map just to give you guys a good idea. So if we go here, here's the map. Here's for your phone, so you're able to connect it. So there's a couple of people already that have the phone set up. We go back to the music. If you have you could do either music, or if you have your Bluetooth connector, you're able to do that. And here's your ability to raise or lower your volume.